Attaching the stage holder. Placing the condenser. Attaching the stage. Retract the screw underneath the stage. Move the stage towards you until it clicks into place. Fasten it. Move the condenser up. Installing the power. Switch on the power. Lower the stage in order to attach the objectives. Note that the display shows which objective has been pre-installed. This can be altered at any time in the menu. First, remove the dust cap. Insert the 4x objective. Insert the 10x, 40x, and 100x objectives in a similar way. Attaching the head. Make sure the screw is retracted far enough not to impede placing the head. Attaching the eyepieces. Make sure the screw to lock the eyepieces is retracted. Lock at will. Attaching the photo tube. You can place a slide using only one hand. You can place a second slide at will. Adjust the interpupillary distance until both circles of vision merge into one. Adjust the brightness at will. If the tension is too high, turn the tension adjustment towards the minus, the dial closest to the microscope body. The fine focus knobs are interchangeable. Turn both adapter adjustments to 0. Choose the 10x objective and focus. Next, choose the 40x objective and focus. Close one eye and focus with the adapter adjustment. To reset your eye, look into the distance with both eyes for a few seconds. Turn the diopter ring a few divisions back. And focus again, using the same eye. Repeat for the other eyepiece. Turn the dial to adjust. Then focus with the 10x objective. Continue with the 40x objective and focus. For the 100x objective, a drop of immersion oil is needed. Move the 100x objective through the oil and focus. Set the focus stop, preventing the stage to move higher than the current height. Clean the objective. See the video 100 times objective on how to work with this objective. Turn the condenser up and choose the smallest magnification. Open the condenser iris. Focus. Close the Kohler iris. Focus with the condenser knob and open the Kohler iris to the edge. Next, center the condenser using the centering rods. Select the next magnification for fine-tuning. Open the Kohler iris until it is just outside the field of view. Remove the C-mount adapter. Attach it to the camera and return it to the head. Turn the ring on the adapter to adjust parfocality. The Smart Light Control Operation dial switch. Turn left or right to decrease or increase light intensity. Press dial switch to access the SLC menu. Changing the objectives, adding a 60 times. Press, move to set, press once more. Choose 100 times and press. Change to 60 times and press. Repeat procedure to add the 100 times. Go to Save, then press. Go to Exit, then press to exit the menu. To change the color temperature, enter the menu and choose CCT. Use the dial switch to change the color temperature. Press to exit menu. And press again. Light intensity lock. When locked, the dial switch no longer functions. Press and hold the dial switch for 3 seconds to enter the menu and release the lock. For automatic shutdown, enter the menu and choose time. The time to shut down will be shown in the display. Press to enter sleep mode. Press once more to exit sleep mode. After your session, switch off the power and cover the microscope.